Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a reminder, for every like that these videos gets, I will show a QR code. So the last video that I posted got 7 likes, so I'll select 7 random QR codes. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I will show those codes at the end of the video. But for now, let's open up a pack of Hidden Fates. So again, same rules apply. For every like that the video gets, this video gets, but next time I record my next video, I will share those QR codes. So hopefully we got something good here. Water energy, Cogus trap, instant strategy, misty determination, Ekans, Caterpie, Paris, Charmander. I like that Charmander. Very big fan of that Charmander. Clefairy, Reverse Hollow, Jigglypuff, and Clefable. Disappointing pack. Disappointing pack. Alright, so I'll show you guys those 7 QR codes. 1. Oh, stay in focus. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. So that's 7 codes for today. Good luck to everybody trying to redeem those. I will be posting another video tomorrow. And again, based off the amount of likes, I will be posting those QR codes. Alright, thank you for watching.